Thank you for hitting that join button and for your further interest in my lifestyle. I have 4 tiers you can join on, each with very different ways you can help my lifestyle. Tier 1 I like to call Frugal Living Funding, and the money you donate will be for those everyday things that pile up to be a big amount of money, such as screws, nails, things for DIY, anything to do with my kitchen prepping, those little items I need, and for things for the garden, those little bits and pieces, including replacing gardening gloves for me and my volunteer workaways.
Tier 1 Frugal Life Funding, €5.99 per month. For this tier you get a shout out on my community page on joining, access to members only community posts page, access to members only polls and add in your input and suggestions.
Tier 2 Progression with mini projects. If you donate to tier number 2, you will be helping us with some of our mini projects, buying the materials we need to complete them. Things that we can't salvage, such as sand and cement. The second tier will be helping us to advance with our mini projects, either beginning new ones, finishing off previous ones, or adding and enhancing to those we have already begun.
Tier 2 Progression with mini projects, €9.99 per month. For this tier you get all previous tier perks plus a shout out on a live on joining, exclusive photographs emailed to you, a monthly life quote also emailed to you. Don't forget to let me have your email.
The third tier will be for our off-grid addition, advancement and expansion. And for this level, your money will go to things such as adding more solar panels. We would love to upgrade our batteries, and we would like to add further additions, including building a wind turbine. So all these additions will be where your money goes if you donate to the third tier.
Tier 3 Off-grid life, additions, advancements, expansion, €14.99 per month. In this tier you get all previous tier perks plus a shout out on the video on joining, access to members only exclusive live stream and an email monthly newsletter including updates.
Tier 4, what I like to call the bigger picture. Dreams enabled and funding of our bigger projects, helping us begin projects that are currently sitting in our imagination. Your funding for this level will bring forward things that we would love to do but don't think we will ever be able to, like building a gypsy caravan from scratch.
Tier 4 The bigger picture, dreams enabled, funding of bigger projects, €19.99 per month. For this tier you get all previous tier perks plus a shout out in a further video related to what your donation is being used for, members only exclusive access to other unseen parts of my day and life. Choose any one crop, plant or tree and I will send you monthly updates and photographs of its progress. Mr. Carrot Cake will email you a monthly diary including tips and fun. Make sure you send me your email.
Thank you so much for listening and for your time and being of interest of how you can help us continue with our journey. Be sure to continue with this process of how to join and begin your donations to us. Thank you so much again. You're awesome.